Can I get your name, please?
My name is actually Iresha Piyumi Kumari. My profession is aesthetic and cosmetology. UK level 6 makeup artist.
So how do you feel about the training program today?
Actually, it's good for the beginners and the higher experienced people. So actually good. I got today actually very good experience with the cupping therapies. I really appreciate the campus people and really encouragement for us. Actually, great workshop.
Thank you. And how does it works with your the career and future?
Good.
All right. So do you recommend this program to any of your colleagues or any of your peers?
Actually, 200% because they are giving hands-on experience. 100 to 200%. I have to tell that wordfully. They are giving actually doctors with the doctors, not other person. With the doctors, they are giving nicely hand experience, and we can get another. Actually, I need another session also. They are giving nice experience and everything.